Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to tan x. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equal to secant of s squared dx. This one we change by u, and we have u to the power of 3. This one we have u squared. This one we have u. Secant of s squared dx we change by the u. Next, we need to do about factorization of this one. They will be like this. Next, we can use about partial fractions. So capital A over u minus 3, capital B over u minus 2 to the power of 2, and C over u minus 2. So because we have the power 2 in here, so that's why we have 2 fractions. Next, we do common denominator. So about this one, it is missing about u minus 2 to the power of 2. About this one, it is missing about u minus 3. About this one, it is missing about u minus 3 and u minus 2 because we just have only one u minus 2 in here. Next, we need to expand this one. This one we have u squared minus 5u plus 6. Next, we need to arrange based on the terms of u. So we have A and C in here. About u, we have negative 4a plus b minus 5c. About the numbers, we have 4a minus 3b plus 6c. Next, we need to compare coefficients. We don't have u and u squared in here, so a plus c equals to number 0, and this one equals to number 0. This one we have the numbers that is about number 1, so 4a minus 3b plus 6c equals to number 1. And now we create the system of equations. So a plus c equals to number 0, negative 4a plus b minus 5c equals to number 0, and the last one equals to number 1. And now we need to find the solutions of a, b, c. So a equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1, c equals to negative number 1. So we put a, b, c go in here. So a equals to number 1, b equals to negative number 1, c equals to negative number 1, and now we have the final answer. About you, that is about tanx. This is the end. Thank you for watching.